Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I planted my new Discovery Garden collection. So first let's meet the new Woolworths Discovery Garden 2021. This year they've introduced 24 herbs, vegetables and flowers that make up your Discovery Garden. Start off with, you need to have the Discovery Garden collector tray. It will cost you about $4 and you can buy these at Woolworths, supermarket or online. You need to purchase or spend about $30 at Woolworths supermarkets or online, and then you will get one free Discovery Garden seedling kit, just like this one. You could also get some bonus Discovery Garden seedling kits for every purchase of one participating brand product within the qualifying $30 per shopping. Now you have to check out on the Woolworths catalog per week for those participating brands. Okay, so let's start planting. So, the Discovery Garden seedling kit looks like this. So you have a little pot, then you open the little pot kit and you'll see a cocoa pellet and a seedling bed. So this is called a cocoa pellet. These are made from coconut fiber. They're sustainable and they're environmentally friendly. They're low incidence of molding and they absorb water, so you don't have to water a lot, and they also have a faster rate of germination time. And we have right here silver beet for seeds. We have 8 silver beet seedlings on a seed bed. Now make sure before you start planting, you have your mask on, your gardening gloves, some little plate or a saucer to put in your cocoa pellet and some water. So just place your cocoa pellet on the saucer, then pour water, just about 35 mils, and then just watch. I highly recommend not to put more than 35 ml of water, as too much water won't benefit your seedling. You don't want a very soggy or wet soil on your seed. You can also do it 3 pellets at a time, but like I said, just be very careful with the amount of water that you're adding into your cocoa pellets. Alright then, let's plant some seeds. So just add some soil onto your seed pots. I would fill it in about 1/4 and then just add your seed mat and just press it down very gently. Once you've done that, just add more soil and then press it gently again. And don't forget to write down the labels of especially the date, and then pop it on the top of the soil. And then just pop them through your Discovery Garden collector tray. And just repeat the whole process to all your seedling kits. Place the seedling collector tray to a place where you get enough sunlight and watch them grow. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post videos of my daily life here in Sydney, Australia. And if you have more tips on how to plant the Woolworths Discovery Garden seedling kits, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. I'll be waiting to hear from all of you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.